3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If your iPhone is running out of space, moving your photos to iCloud is an excellent way to free up storage while keeping your photos secure. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. At the top, select your Apple ID, then navigate to the iCloud section. Within the iCloud menu, locate the Photos option and tap on it. Before proceeding, ensure you have sufficient iCloud storage. If needed, you can tap Manage Account Storage. Once that's sorted, enable the Sync this iPhone option. You will then have two choices for managing photo storage. Selecting Optimize iPhone Storage allows your device to save smaller thumbnails of your photos locally while storing the full resolution images in iCloud. Ideal for conserving device space. Alternatively, choosing Download and Keep Original Photos are stored on both your phone and iCloud, which will require more space on your iPhone. With these settings configured, your photos will now be safely stored in iCloud. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.